Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shoe heel repair is probably one of the most important skills to learn for extending the life of your favorite shoes and saving money on replacements. This video will guide you through various methods and techniques for repairing damaged heels, from simple fixes for minor wear and tear to more advanced solutions for significant damage, ensuring your shoes look and feel their best for longer. Number 5. GoGoHeel Quick Tips. Tired of worn-down heels? These innovative caps are the perfect solution. They're easy to apply and instantly revitalize your favorite shoes. They're the original high heel protectors and repair caps. Each pack contains 2 pairs, giving you extra protection and longevity. Simply clean the heel, peel off the adhesive backing, and apply. It's that simple. They're designed to fit most high heel styles. Extend the life of your favorite heels and prevent further damage. They're also a stylish way to keep your shoes looking their best. Watch how effortlessly they transform worn heels into like-new condition. See the difference they make. Find them online or at select retailers. Don't let worn heels ruin your style. Get yours today. What we like? It's a fast and simple solution for damaged heels. If you need a temporary fix or are looking for a convenient way to protect your heels, this is a great choice. It's the original design, so you know it's reliable. What people say. The small tips fit my shoes perfectly. They worked and were good enough for extending the life of a pair of work pumps. The shoes are like new, and so much improved. If you are so close to getting them to fit, but it's just a smidge too small, try the boiling water and file trick. These look great. Easy and inexpensive way to extend the life of my heels. I will be buying more of these to use on my newer heels to help protect and prevent wear. Number 4. Shoe Heel Repair Patches Kit. Tired of holes in your favorite shoes? These patches are here to help. They're easy to use and will keep your shoes looking great. Made from soft microfiber leather, it's comfortable on your feet. They're also non-slip, sweat-absorbent, and breathable. With a strong self-adhesive backing, application is a breeze. Just peel and stick to repair the damaged area. This kit includes 2 sizes to fit various shoe types and heel-toe damage. You can even cut them to fit your specific needs. Perfect for sports shoes, high heels, leather shoes, and boots. They'll extend the life of your footwear. Each pack contains 4 pairs of patches, enough for you and your friends. Keep your shoes looking new for longer. What we like? These patches are incredibly easy to apply thanks to their strong adhesive. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile solution to repair various shoe types and sizes, this is perfect for you. The value pack ensures you have plenty on hand for multiple repairs. What people say. I put the patch on there first without peeling the adhesive protective film, and once I knew exactly how I wanted it, I took the film off and applied it in one shot, carefully rubbing it across so it's smooth and no wrinkles. On one shoe I used the small one and on the other shoe I had to use the larger one. The material is also easy to trim with a pair of scissors to make any custom shape you want, however it's better to have more material covering the damaged area so it sticks better. They were cheap enough to try, so why not? And I am amazed. So you know when you wear out the back of your shoe and nothing else is wrong with the SHOE? Bingo! These work. I have had them a month or so in the shoes I wear every day. No rolling, no peeling, just a nice little patch over the hole, and my expensive hiking shoes with no wear anywhere else that I literally wear every day are like new again. Quickly used the other sets in my tennies and they all worked there too. The adhesive on these is very sticky, so once you put it somewhere in the shoe it will stay. If you peel it up to reposition, it won't stay in place the second time. I held a slight roll in the patch, so that it would more conform to the shape of the back of the shoe, pressed it into place and held it for a moment. Some adhesive gets stronger if left alone for a bit. The shoes are wearable and comfortable again. There are sufficient patches to do at least 2 pair of shoes with extra pieces. Number 3. YEHAM High Heel Repair Kit. Say goodbye to worn-out heels. This kit gives your favorite shoes a new lease on life. It comes with 5 different sizes of high heel dowels, ensuring a perfect fit for various heel types. You'll find the right size for your shoes. They're made from high-quality TPU and strong iron, built to withstand daily wear and tear. Enjoy long-lasting protection and comfort. With 2 different pin sizes, it's easy to find the perfect match for your shoes. This ensures a secure and reliable repair. These replacement tips offer superior comfort and safety, reducing noise and providing anti-slip protection. Walk with confidence again. The kit includes a handy plier to make replacing your heel tips quick and easy. Repairing your shoes has never been simpler. With 30 pairs of replacement tips and a plier, this kit has everything you need for multiple repairs. Get ready to revitalize your shoe collection. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of sizes to perfectly match your heels. If you need a long-lasting repair and appreciate precision, this is the ideal kit. The included pliers make installation and removal a breeze. What people say. The most important step is to grasp the existing heel tip with the tool, then slowly twist, imagine using a wrench, from side to side. Do this gently. The whole point of this step is to loosen the pin that's inside the heel itself. This tool was perfect with the right grip for pulling the existing nail head of the broken heel tip. The inclusion of a 6-inch heel tip plier in the set is a fantastic addition. The plier makes it incredibly easy to remove worn-out tips and install new ones without causing any damage to the shoe or heel. Number 2. Unikstep heel pads. Say goodbye to worn-out heels. These pads are the perfect solution for extending the life of your favorite shoes. They're easy to apply and provide long-lasting protection. Unikstep heel pads are designed to repair and protect worn heels on various types of shoes. It's a simple and effective way to keep your footwear looking its best. They measure approximately 3.6 inches by 3.4 inches and are 3.5 millimeters thick, providing excellent cushioning and support. This size fits many shoe types. Each package includes 2 pairs of heel pads, nails for secure attachment, sandpaper for preparation, and self-adhesive stickers for extra hold. Everything you need for a perfect repair. Applying these is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions, and you'll have your shoes looking brand new in minutes. No special tools are required. These durable pads feature an anti-slip design, providing extra traction and stability with every step. Enjoy renewed confidence in your footwear. Whether you're repairing men's leather shoes or women's flats, these versatile pads are the ideal solution. They're a cost-effective way to keep your shoes looking great. What we like. These pads provide excellent cushioning and anti-slip protection. If you prioritize comfort and want to add extra protection to your heels, this is a great option. They're easy to install and offer a comfortable walking experience. What people say. I was able to repair the rubber from the heel of my shoe with the supplies in the kit. They look and feel as good as new. The heels on a pair of shoes had broken, so I removed them and replaced with these. I was able to cut to size, and they are the perfect replacement for the heels. Good material. They don't mark the floor and the treads are grippy. It comes with sandpaper that smooths out the jagged edge after scissoring. The double-sided tape is also very sticky. Combined with crazy glue, it sticks very well. Number 1. Unikstep Heel Repair Kit. Don't let damaged heels ruin your favorite shoes. Our Unikstep kit makes repairing them quick and easy. This kit is perfect for repairing the sides of your heels. It's suitable for various shoe types, from leather shoes to sneakers. You'll receive 6 pairs of durable rubber heel plates, adhesive tapes for secure attachment, sandpaper for prep work, and plenty of nails for a lasting fix. These rubber heel plates are designed with anti-slip properties, ensuring both safety and durability. They're built to last. With simple instructions and all the necessary components, repairing your heels has never been easier. Get back to enjoying your shoes in no time. They work great on men's leather shoes, women's heels, and even sneakers. It's a versatile solution for all your shoe repair needs. What we like. These plates are designed for long-lasting wear and tear. If you need a robust repair for your heels and appreciate a good value, this is a great choice. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth and easy repair. What people say. The taps were exactly how they were described and were easy to apply to my shoes. The heel plates installed quickly and stayed on securely. They saved the heels of my dress shoes for sure. Easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.